Welcome to the video showcasing the Samsung 236L convertible double-door refrigerator with black matte finish. This refrigerator is a #1 rated brand, trusted by millions, and has a 4.2-star rating, earning it Amazon's choice. Experience the convertible 3-in-1 feature. Convert the freezer to a fridge for an extra 88 liters of space, or use the Power Freeze Cool mode. The digital inverter technology saves energy, operates with less noise, and comes with a 20-year warranty on the compressor. Benefit from all-round cooling, which cools every corner of the fridge, ensuring your food stays fresh for longer. Power protection allows for stabilizer-free operation between 100 volts and 3 OOV. It also works on a home inverter and protects against power cuts. Enjoy easy access with the Easy Slide shelf, making it simple to reach food stored at the back. The refrigerator features strong glass shelves that can hold up to 175 kilograms. Plus, the built-in deodorizer ensures there is no smell. The modern design includes an elegant black matte finish, a recessed handle, and hidden hinges for a seamless look. Customers rate this product highly, praising its silent operation, fast cooling, value for money, and good design. Take advantage of a limited-time offer. Save 38% off the MRP, with a deal price of 25,990 rupees. The purchase includes the Samsung 236L convertible refrigerator, a manual, and a warranty card with a 1-year comprehensive and 20-year compressor warranty. Buy now,